हांव रेजिडेंट वाड्या वास्को. म्हाका आतां 72 इयर्स जाली. जे पयलींसून म्हजे पांय आसलेलो हांवें पयचे इतलें बरें नुस्तें खातालें आनी उदक क्लीन सारकें. आमी उदक सदां उदक न्हांवताले. दुसरें म्हणल्यार ह्या वाड्यान इतलो बरो लोक आसलो दिसता केन्ना पयत कितें उडयनालो. आनी आतां चोवपाक गेल्यार ही 10-15 वर्सां जातली इतलीं फ्लॅटां येयलीं आनी हें सुगरेज येयली आनी ही पॉय आमी पॉय म्हणटाली ते क्रीक फुटाय फटीचे पॉय आमी इतलें नुस्तें खाता हे पॉयचें म्हळ्यार आमकां इतलें बरें दिसता. उदक आमी भुरगेपणीसान उदक न्हांवत येताले. जेली खंयचें उदक न्हांवतालें, सकाळीं उदक न्हांवतालें. अशें करून आमी उदक न्हांवताले. आमी सगळीं आमची भुरगीं जावं आमी सगळीं एकमुखार बरे भाशेन बाराबर येवन. आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार आमकां हे पॉयंत आमच्यो बांयो आसल्यो सगळ्यांक आजून पासून आहाय बाय थोडी पुरवल्यो. बरें उदक येतालें बरें सारकें थंड उदक. आमची बांय आहा आजून पासून उदक बरें येता. बट एक दोन पाटी आमकां इफेक्ट जालें हे सुगरेजे हेका लागून. आनी तें आस्ते क्लीन करून तें साफ करून आतां समराचें येता. पूण दुसरें म्हणल्यार कितें आमकां हें उदक आतां डायरेक्ट फ्लो जाता. हिंगा फ्लो जाता आतां ब्रीज आहा थिंग फ्लो जाता उदक घाणीचें. भुरगीं इस्कुला येता वयता त्या उदकांत पांय बुडयताय वयताय नाचताय. त्या भुरग्यांक खबर आसना. पूण तांकां पांयां जायत जाल्यार कोड बीन फुंटा तांकां खबर आसना वयपा पांय मागीर बेळ जाता. बट हें गोवोरमेंटान चोवपा जाय आनी हेजेर बेगीन डिसिजन घेवन हें क्लियर करपा जाय. हें म्हाका दिसता हें कोता येवपाना मुखार हांव नाका हिंगा कसले डिजीज जायत आनी आमकां कसले दुयेंस येयत तें हांव नाकाय. म्हाका दिसता हें बेगीनूय एक्शन घेवन हेजेर तुमी कितें स्टेप मारपाचो आनी हेजेर बेगीन सोल्युशन काडपाचें इतलें.
म्हजें नांव जोकीम मिनेजीस. हांव मेर्सेस वाड्यार रावतां. म्हाका हिंगा रावपाक रावल्या आतां सुमार 50 इयर्स जालीं. 50 इयर्स आदीं हें आमचें क्रीक एकदम बरें आसलेलें. एकदम क्लीन वॉटर येतालें. नुस्त्या पासून बरें येतालें. आतां सडनली जालें सुमार एक 10-15 वर्सां ही क्रीक एकदम डटी जाता. कोण साफाय करना कांय करना. बोत्तेचेर पळय तें उदक येता न्ही ती सगळी घाण जावन आमच्या बांयक पासून इफेक्ट जाले. पयलीं आमचे बांय इतले क्लीन आसलेले क्लीन उदक मेवतालें. पण आतां आमच्या उदकाक पासून वास मारता. आनी ताका लागून हिंगा कितें तरी ऑथॉरिटी आसा तेणें कितें एक्शन घेवपाक जाय.
कितें म्हणजे माती डिसिल्टिंग करपाक जाय जावं कितें अशें तुमचें म्हणणें?
हिंगा डिसिल्ट केल्यार बरें जातलें न्हू. आनी हो फ्लो आहा तो कंटिन्यू उरतलो. आतां हे पळय रेबोड सगळें भरलां आनी पळय सिवेज पळय येता पळय तेंची ह्या पंपांतसून सिवेज येता तें सगळें डटी जालां आतां. सो ते हेल्थ इश्यू जाता न्हू आमकां. आनी आमच्यान येवपाक वचपाक जायना सगळी डटी स्मेल येता. सो ताका लागून ऑथॉरिटीन कितें केल्यार मातशें बऱ्याक पडटलें आमकां.
I am Daniel F. D'Souza, a resident of Wade, behind the Pine Nursing Home. What I've seen is this is a beautiful creek, actually, a water body that flows right up from the hillock, from up Wade hillock. But last few years, the water in this creek is badly contaminated. A lot of sewage, untreated, polluted water is passing through this, and now recently there is a menace of this untreated water being pumped out and let out. This creek meets the Zuari river basin, and thereafter it flows to the sea. So in other words, this contaminated untreated sewage water which has filled this creek is causing health hazard not only to the residents of this area where there are hundreds of people residing. This contaminated water can contaminate the groundwater reserves. There are people having private wells in their property. The drinking water from the wells will be polluted. Untreated sewage water, if you may know, contains pathogens, and these pathogens can lead to health hazard, including diseases such as typhoid, cholera, and dysentery. So in this particular area where there are thousands of people residing, and I said there are wells, this well water also will be contaminated with this untreated sewage water that is pumped into this lake for outlet. I call upon the concerned authorities to have a site inspection, and specifically I call upon the health department authorities. Kindly sir, the health minister, take note of this hazard that has been man-made. It is created. It needs to be totally desilted, and entire contamination that has been caused because of the sewage content has to be washed out and cleaned out. No doubt in the past our MLA has been doing periodic pre-monsoon maintenance and removing the algae and all, but that is at another part of the lake, the other side. Besides that, people are throwing all garbage into this creek, and at one point of time, it gets totally blocked. I call upon the concerned authorities, beginning with the health department. The health officer of Morubungaon Taluka should pay his personal attention and look into the manner in which this pumping station is functioning. And if there is something that is shortfall, it needs to be corrected immediately. We don't want thousands of people facing this health hazard. And there are elderly people, there are people living on the periphery of this creek, including children. I've seen a sewage chamber that has been left open. Almost a 5 feet by 3 feet deep chamber has been left open with no covering. Even a small school going child can fall into it and cause a tragedy. Are we waiting for a tragedy to happen? First and foremost, please take care of this health hazard that is affecting all the residents of this area.
All I can say is that this is a heritage structure which our ancestors had developed. And if you have the patience to come and see, you can see that the embankments are done so beautifully in laterite stone, but now those laterite stones are falling apart. 20 years ago, this creek had been dredged clean, but since then lot of silt and garbage has collected. This is a vital water body for this locality, this city and this state, and it is my humble view that authorities must take up the dredging and the cleaning of this creek right from the beginning, right up to the point where it joins the sea, because all the dirt is going into the sea, eaten by the fish, which then the human beings are consuming. So it is a vital need.
Sir, what residents are facing the problem because of this right now?
Because of the smell, and it is a health hazard.